Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you BEPM, Built Environment Performance and Materials Management Pro. A course on built environment performance and materials management would likely cover various aspects related to construction, sustainability, material selection, and efficient resource management. Built Environment Performance and Materials Management Pro benefits. Certainly. Here are some potential benefits of a professional course in Built Environment Performance and Materials Management: enhanced sustainability knowledge, improved resource management skills, increased efficiency in construction projects, expertise in material selection, meeting regulatory and certification standards, career advancement opportunities. Built Environment Performance and Materials Management Pro employment. Professionals with expertise in built environment performance and materials management can find employment opportunities in various sectors due to the growing emphasis on sustainability and efficient resource management. Some potential areas for employment include construction industry, environmental consulting firms, government and regulatory bodies, manufacturing and material supply companies, non-profit organizations and research institutions, real estate and property development, energy and utility companies, startups and entrepreneurship. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.